So to get the best curlinator girls, that's just by putting your hair up in the bun. You want to dampen your hair first with a little bit of water. You don't want it to be wet, just a little bit damp. You pull your hair up into a ponytail and through the center slit. You twist under once, that's what grabs the hair. You want to pull out, get as close to the ends as possible. Then you begin to roll tightly against the head. Any layers or loose pieces, you can just grab them and wrap them back in as you go. Like that. And then you want to take the two ends and cross them flat against the head. And then you can either show it or hide it. But just by having it up in this bun is what's going to give you the curls. The higher up on the bun, depending on the length of your hair, if you put it down lower, it won't get these top pieces. If you put it up higher, you can also do a double bun, one up top, one on the bottom, to get even curlier curls. But yeah, 1 to 2 hours in your hair, and it should be curly depending on your hair thickness. The longer you leave it in, the curlier it'll get.